Hey, look at this. Deletion after deletion after deletion after deletion of negative items on people's credit. Hi, my name is Jacob Tidwell with Top Flight Assistance. If I can show you how to repair your credit in less time than .com and for less money than law, you need to watch the rest of this video. Many people suffer from credit that is hurting them from getting approved for cars, for loans, for houses, and we're here to help you with that with a do-it-yourself program that you can do from the comfort of your own home and get real results fast. So again, you guys, if you're a person with less than perfect credit, you definitely need to take advantage of our Top Flight Assistance Do-It-Yourself program, because the reality is you don't want to be the person a year from now that still needs help with your credit so you don't get denied for your home, your car, your loan, and we're here to help you. Take action now, press the Learn More button below, and let's get you your Do-It-Yourself package. Top Flight, Top Life.